In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload files to use in your HubSpot content. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to make your files instantly available across your HubSpot tools and assets. First, open your HubSpot workspace and look to the left-hand panel. Find Content, then select Files. This Files area is your central library, the place where HubSpot stores images, PDFs, videos, and other assets so you can reuse them anywhere without uploading the same thing over and over. Think of it as your organized media hub that powers blogs, emails, landing pages, and more. Once you're in the Files area, click Upload a File. You'll see the option to browse your computer. Choose the file you want to use. As soon as you confirm the selection, HubSpot uploads it and adds it to your files list automatically. There's no waiting around. The file appears almost immediately. When your file shows up in the list, that means it's ready to go across HubSpot. You can insert it into blog posts, landing pages, email templates, and other content editors that include a file or image picker. If you're working with images, consider using clear, descriptive file names and adding alt text later in the editor for accessibility and SEO. If you're uploading documents like PDFs, make sure the title of the document is easy to recognize so you can quickly find it in your library when you need it. A quick tip on quality and performance. Keep images optimized so pages load quickly and use appropriate formats like PNG or JPG for images, MP4 for videos, and PDF for documents. This helps maintain a great user experience while keeping your content looking sharp. If you work with a lot of assets, using a consistent naming convention, such as including campaign or date details in the file name, can save time when searching later. Back in the Files view, you'll notice your uploaded file listed alongside your other assets. From here, you can confidently jump into any HubSpot content tool and insert that file wherever it's needed. Because the file lives in your HubSpot library, you only have to upload it once, and you can reuse it as many times as you like across your content, tools, and assets. And that's all there is to it. Click Content, go to Files, upload your file, and it's instantly available throughout HubSpot. Thanks for watching, and happy building.